guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here with a tropical summer glam inspired makeup look. It feels good to use color. I'm super excited about this. I tried some different techniques that I haven't done on my channel yet, like this ombre lip. So freaking cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, you can follow me on social media at meribahMUA. And again, thank you so much to all my new subscribers, and let's get started in the video. First step, we are going into this palette with this buttery shade right here. And we are going to be applying that all over the lid with a fluffy Morphe brush. Next, we are taking this bright yellow and we are going to be putting this directly into the crease with a blending brush that's a little fluffer. Next, with a blank blending brush, I am just going to dust away all this fallout. Then I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape and a flat concealer brush, and I'm going to cut out my crease. With a flat brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and pat this dry. And it'll pick up any excess concealer. Going back in with this yellow shade, I'm gonna touch up on the crease. And I'm just using this sharp brush here. This shade Isla, and I'm going to pat that over the crease. With a sharper brush, I'm just going to touch up the corner. Next, I'm going to take this Urban Decay Space Cowboy liquid liner, and I'm going to carve out the top of the lid. Next, I'm going to take this deep green COLOURPOP Super Shock Shadow. This is the shade Hammered. And I'm going to take this fluffy pointed brush here, and I'm going to buff this into the corner. If you have any fallout, just brush it away. Next, I'm taking that same Isla shade that I used for the crease, and I'm gonna buff this underneath the eye and tie everything together. In the corners of the eyes, I'm going to use this STILA glitter, and I'm just going to pop this into the corners. For eyeliner, I'm using the Kat Von D Tattoo Eyeliner. For mascara, I'm using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Alright, I've got my eyelashes on, and I'm going to put a little mascara on the bottom lashes. And then for lips, I'm going to use this really bright pink. And I am going to take this flat brush here, and I'm going to brush this on. And I'm going to put it on the inside of my lip. This is the Jeffree Star Ammunition lipstick, by the way. Then I'm going to take this clear lip gloss. It's actually more of a nude. And then finally, I'm going to set my makeup. Alright you guys, this is the final look of my summer glam, tropical inspired, drag inspired makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video today and you feel inspired as well by summer. If you like this makeup tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Also, you can follow me on social media at meribahMUA. And I just want to give a big thank you to all my new subscribers, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!